Hey guys, Card Tricks are here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be doing a tutorial in this video. I'm actually going to be showing you guys a performance for an advanced trick that I created called Hypnosis. This trick is really amazing and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And there will be a tutorial for this trick soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video. Here's the performance for Hypnosis. So I can start off by giving the deck a couple cuts, just like this, and my spectator can choose any 4 cards that they want from the middle. So let's say these 4 cards right here. This is a completely free choice. And I just want to show you that there's nothing on top of the deck, okay? No face-up cards or anything. And here are the 4 cards my spectator chose. We have a king, a 7, a 5, and a 4. These are completely random cards. I'm gonna just take these cards and we're gonna leave them on the table. So I'll show you them all here. I'll leave the 4 there and the other 3 cards here. Watch the 4. I'm gonna do something cool with the 4. If I just shake it, you'll see it actually changes into an ace, just like that. Well, we'll leave the ace over there, and I'll leave the 4 cards right there so you can see them. Now, my spectator can shuffle up the cards as much as they want, and whenever they're done, they can choose any card that they want. So let's say this card right here, 10 of Hearts. It's a completely random choice. They could have chosen any of these cards here. There's no way that I could have known. We're actually going to lose the 10 in the middle of the deck. I'm going to take the 10 of Hearts, I'm going to place it right about there, and I'm going to dribble the cards on top of it, just like that. So now it's somewhere in the middle. But watch, if I just give a deck a little riffle, you'll actually see your card rise all the way to the top, just like that. But we can take this a step further. I'm going to place the 10 in the middle, just like so. That's about the middle, right? You can see the card sticking out there. I'm going to ask my spectator to push in the card, so I can't touch it at all. And I'll leave the deck over here. Now, the 4 cards from earlier, remember, yeah, their card, if we did this right, it should have jumped all the way over here. No, that's an ace. But actually, without you seeing, I actually switched all 4 of these cards into the 4 aces, just like that. But your card's not over here, which means it's still in here, right? Well, I'm going to try something cool. I'm going to hypnotize you to not be able to see your card. When I snap my fingers, you are no longer able to see the 10 of Hearts. Okay, if you look at every card, you're not going to be able to see the 10 of Hearts anywhere. There's the 10 of Diamonds, but you'll notice the 10 of Hearts is actually completely gone from the deck. And now I'm going to hypnotize you again. I'm going to hypnotize you to see that one of the aces over here has actually turned into the 10 of Hearts, and it was the Ace of Hearts. Just like that. But I'm going to take this a step further. I'm going to hypnotize you to not only see this card as the 10 of Hearts, but actually every ace over here is actually turned into the 10 of Hearts. But if I snap again, you're no longer hypnotized, and you can see the reality that it's just 4 aces, no other cards. And I'll show you each card. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4 cards. It's only the 4 aces. Which means, because it was all hypnosis, right, your card has actually never left the middle of the deck. It's still somewhere in the middle. Because if you actually look, the 10 of Hearts is actually right there in the middle, and it's never left the middle of the deck. So yeah guys, that is the trick. That is Hypnosis. I really hope you guys enjoyed the trick. This trick is really fun to perform, and it fools a lot of people. I will be posting a tutorial for this trick, so stay tuned for that. I just want to say though, this trick is very difficult. There are a lot of advanced moves in this trick, so just be ready for that. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.